we have come up with a series of most expected questions that may be asked in your board exam, and I will discuss mathematics portion with this couplet. जब आंखों में अरमान लिया, मंजिल को अपना मान लिया, फिर मुश्किल क्या आसान क्या, बस ठान लिया तो ठान लिया. So first of all, we have real numbers. In real numbers, there is example 4. Example 4 is important. Find the SCF and LCM of 6, 72 and 120 using the prime factorization method. Exercise 1.1. Question number 2. Find the LCM and SCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that SCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. First part is 26 and 91. Question number 4. Question number 4 from the exercise 1.1. Given that SCF of 306 and 657 is equal to 9, find LCM of 306 and 657. Another example is example 6. Show that 5 minus root 3 is irrational. This is the portion of real numbers. Next chapter is polynomials. Polynomials, you will start from exercise 2.2. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Second part is 4s square minus 4s plus 1, and third part is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Another question is from the same exercise. Find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and product of zeros respectively. Fifth part is minus 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4 is sum of zeros and 1 by 4 is product of zeros. You have to make quadratic polynomial. This is from the polynomial. From chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. Exercise 3.2. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution method. Part number 2 is s minus t equal to 3, s by 3 plus 2 by 2 equal to 6. From same exercise, question number 2. Solve 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m from which y is equal to mx plus 3. From the same exercise, question number 3. From the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solution. First part is the difference between two numbers is 26. One number is 3 times the other. Find them. Second part is the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. Next chapter is next exercise is exercise 3.3. Solve the pair of linear equations by elimination method. Second part is 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y equal to 2. From the same exercise, we have question number 2. Most important two questions. Second part is 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? Third part is the sum of the digits of two-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. Find the number. We have next chapter, quadratic equation. In quadratic equation, exercise 4.1. Question number 2, part number last, fourth part. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Exercise 4.2. Question number 3. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. From the same exercise, question number 5 is important. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 cm less than its base and its hypotenuse is 13 cm. Find the other two sides. Example 7. Example number 7 is Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation. You have to only find the discriminant. 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. From the exercise 4.3, question number 2 is very important. Never miss this. 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. Kx times x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. In both these parts, you have to find the value of k. This is the most important question that may be asked in your board exams. Coming to chapter number 5th, arithmetic progression, AP. Example 3. Find the 10th term of AP, 2, 7, 12 and so on. This is the infinite AP. You have to find the 10th term. In exercise 5.2, question number 7 is important. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. From the same exercise, question number 10 is also important. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. We need to find the common difference. And from the same exercise, question number 13 and 14, these two questions are very important. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? It is a one-liner question. And question number 13 is, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Next is, how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? In next exercise 5.3, question number 4 is important. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? From the same exercise 5.3, question number 7 may be asked. Find the sum of the first 22 terms of an AP in which D is equal to 7 and the 22nd term is 149. Question number 12. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Important question. And question number 13 and 14. These are very important questions. Find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. From the next chapter, triangles, very important chapter, we have theorem 6.1, BPT or Thales theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. And converse of BPT, theorem 6.2, it is converse of BPT. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. These are very two important theorems. Exercise 6.2, we have question number 7. Using theorem 6.1, it means BPT. Prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. And from question number 9, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC and its diagonal intersect each other at point O. You have to prove AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Question number 10, converse of question number 9. It is converse of question number 9. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O such that AO by BO equal to CO by DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. From the next exercise 6.3, D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square equal to CB into CD. From the same exercise, question number 15 is also important. A vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. Last question of this chapter, question number 16, it is very important. If AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, you have to prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. From the next chapter, coordinate geometry. Example 5 may be asked. Find a point on the y-axis which is equidistant from points A 6, 5 and B minus 4, 3. Exercise 7.1. Question number 1. It may be asked as objective. Find the distance between the following pairs of points 2, 3, 4, 1. We have to find the distance between these 2 points. Question number 7. From the same exercise, find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 9. Question number 8. From the same exercise, find the values of y for which the distance between the points P 2, minus 3 and Q 10, y is 10 units. You have to find the y. Question number 10. Find a relationship between x and y such that point x, y is equidistant from the point 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. Coming to next exercise, exercise 7.2. Question number 1. Find the coordinates of a point which divides the join of minus 1, 7 and 4, minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. You can solve it by using section formula. Question number 4. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8 is divided by minus 1, 6. Question number 6. Very important question. Question number 6, 7 and 8. These 3 questions are very important. If 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of parallelogram taken in order, we have to find the value of x and y. Question number 7. Find the coordinates of point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, minus 3 and B is 1, 4. You have to find the coordinates of point A. Question number 8. Last question of this chapter. If A and B are minus 2, minus 2 and 2, minus 4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 of AB. AP equal to 3 by 7 of AB and P lies on the line segment AB. Coming to chapter next, Introduction to Trigonometry. Very important chapter. First of all, in exercise 8.1, question number 4, 15 cot A equal to 8, find sin A and sec A. From the same exercise, question number 7, part 1. Question number 7, part 1 is important. 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. You have to find the value of this equation, this question. Question number 9. Question number 9, part 1st. You have to find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. From the next exercise, exercise 8.2, question number 1, part 1st and part 3rd. Part 1st is sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree. You have to find the value. For part number 3rd, cos 45 degree upon sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. Question number 3 from the same exercise, very important question. If tan A plus B equal to root 3 and tan A minus B equal to 1 upon root 3, where A plus B lies between 0 and 90 and A is greater than B, you have to find the value of A and B. From the next exercise, very important exercise, exercise 8.3. Question number 1 and question number 2 are important. Express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A, tan A in terms of cot A. Question number 2 is write all other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. Where angle A involved here is acute angle. Question number 4. From question number 4, part number 1, part number 2 is cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A equal to 2 sec A. You have to prove left hand side equal to right hand side. Angle A involved is acute angle here. Part number 5 is very important. Part number 5 is cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 equal to cosec A plus cot A. Using the identity cosec square A equal to 1 plus cot square A. Cosec square A equal to 1 plus cot square A. Part number 6 and 7. These two parts are very, very important. Root of 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A equal to sec A plus tan A. Seventh part is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. This is all from trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry. Next chapter is application of trigonometry. Example 1. Example 1 is important. A tower stands vertically on the ground. From a point on the ground which is 15 meter away from the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is found to be 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. And example 5. Example 5 is the shadow of a tower standing on a level ground is found to be 40 meter longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degree. Then when it is 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. From exercise 9.1, we have only one exercise in this chapter. Question number 2 is important. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree and to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of tree. This is very important question. Question number 5 may be asked. Question number 5 is a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slack in the string. Coming to next question, question number 7. It is very important. From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of transmission tower fixed at the top of 20 meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree. We need to find the height of tower. Question number 10. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the pole and the distance of the point from the poles. Question number 12. Very, very important question. From the top of a 7 meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of tower. Coming to chapter next, circles, we have theorem 10.2. The lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. You know that from an external point only two tangents can be drawn. We need to show that their lengths are equal. This is theorem 10.2. And example 2 is very important. Two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with center O from an external point T. Prove that angle PTQ is equal to twice angle OPQ. From exercise 10.2, we have question number 5. Prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. Question number 7 from the same exercise. Two concentric circles are of radii 5 cm and 3 cm. Find the length of the chord of larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Question number 8. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. You need to prove if a quadrilateral is circumscribing a circle, sum of opposite sides are equal. You have to prove sum of opposite sides are equal. Question number 11. It is most important question of this chapter. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. It is a one-liner question. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Coming to chapter next, areas related to circles. Exercise 11.1. We have question number 1. Find the area of a circle. Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 cm and angle of the sector is 60 degree. Question number 2 is very, very important. Don't miss this. Find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. From the same exercise, we have question number 3. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Question number 11. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. Coming to next chapter, surface area and volumes. Very important chapter. From exercise 12.1, question number 1 is very important. Two cubes each of volume 64 cubic centimeter are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Question number 2 is also important. A vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. Question number 3 is also important. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. You will find this by calculating the curved surface area of cone and curved surface area of hemisphere. Question number 7 from the same exercise. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and the diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, and the slant height, that is L, of the top is 2.8 meter. Find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of 500 per square meter. Coming to exercise next, exercise 12.2, question number 1 is important. A solid is in the shape of cone standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1. And the height of the cone is equal to its radius. Find the volume of solid in terms of pi. Next question from the same exercise, question number 3. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 centimeter and diameter 2.8 centimeter. Question number 5 from the same exercise. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter and the radius of its top, which is open, is 5 centimeter. It is filled with water up to the brim. When lead shots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 centimeter, are dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of the water flows out. Find the number of lead shots dropped in the vessel. Okay. Next is last question of this chapter, question number 8. A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 centimeter long, 2 centimeter in diameter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 cubic centimeter. Check whether she is correct, taking the above as the inside measurements. You have to take pi 3.14. Chapter number last but one, statistics. Exercise 13.1. Very important chapter. Question number 1. Question number 1 is important. A survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants. You have to find the mean number of plants. You have to find the mean. Question number 1. Question number 2. Consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Find the mean. यहाँ पर भी आपको mean निकालना है. You will find the mean in this question also. Question number 3. Question number 3 is very important. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Mean is given. You have to find the missing frequency F. Here in this question, mean is given. It is very important. Mean is given. You have to find the missing frequency F. Table will be given also. Question number exercise 13.2. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Find the mode. In this question, you have to find the mode. You will be asked to find the mode. Okay? Exercise 13.3. Two most important questions. Question number 1 and question number 2. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean, mode of the data and compare them. Okay? You will be asked to only find the median. From this question, you will be only asked to find the median. Question number 2 is most important question of this chapter actually. If the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, median is given, you have to find the value of x and y. In table, there will be x and y, two variables x and y. You have to find the value of x and y. Median is given. And most important, you will know about the empirical relationship between mean, mode and median. That is 3 times median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Questions may be asked from this relationship. 3 times median equal to mode plus 2 mean. Coming to our last chapter of mathematics, very important chapter, probability. Example 4 is important. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Calculate the probability that the card will be an ace, not an ace. From exercise 14.1, we have only exercise in this probability. If probability of event is 0.05, what is the probability of not event? You have to find the probability of not event. Question number 7 from the same exercise. It is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability that the 2 students have the same birthday? Some last questions. Question number 13. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a prime number lying between 2 and 6, number lying between 2 and 6, and odd number. Question number 14. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color, a face card, a red face card, the jack of hearts, a spade, the queen of diamonds. Some parts may be asked from this question. Last question is question number 23. A game consists of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting its outcomes each time. Hanif wins if all the tosses gives the same results. That is head, 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 or tail, tail, tail. That is 3 heads or 3 tails. He will win. And losses otherwise. Calculate the probability that Hanif will lose the game. We have to find the probability that Hanif will lose the game. Thank you so much for being there, for having patience, and all the best for your exams. Have a good day.